The Storm have won 6 of their past 8 games against Sharks. The Sharks have lost their past 6 finals. The Storm have won 6 of their past 8 games at Army Park. Storm winger Xavier Coates has scored 29 tries in 25 games at Army Park. Sharks prop Toby Rudolph will make his 100th NRL appearances. So, I'll be talking about the preview of the match Storm versus Sharks. Please make sure to subscribe, guys. Thank you. For the third season in a row, the Storm and Sharks are both part of the September action, but they lock horns in a final for the first time since 2018. On that occasion, it was the Storm sending the Sharks packing 22-6 in a preliminary final before going on to lose the decider to the Roosters. 2 years prior to that, it was the Sharks severing a maiden premiership when they held off Melbourne 14-12 in an epic decider at ANZ Stadium. The sides have clashed just once in 2024, the Sharks getting home 25-18 in round 10. One of only 2 sides to venture at Army Park and come away with the victory this season. The expected return of fullback Ryan Rappenhuisen from a leg injury is a massive boost for home side, while the Sharks will get prop Oregon Kaufusi back after he was rested from Sunday's impressive win over Manly. Another chapter in a great rivalry will be written on Saturday as the winner moves to within 1 game of a grand final and the loser lives to fight another day against the victor of Cowboys or Knights class. Let me talk about the team news. Storm Ryan Rappenhuisen is back in the number 1 jersey after missing last week's game due to a leg injury while experienced. Prop Christian Welch also returns from illness. Young gun Swalabi Palago suffered a hamstring injury while debuting for Rappenhuisen in round 27 and could miss a couple of weeks. Ken Bradley, Joe Chan and Ativelu Lisati drop out of the squad named on Tuesday in the only changes to the squad a day out from the game, with Grant Anderson remaining as 18th player and Lazarus Valepu in the 19-player squad. Sharks team news: a day out from the game, Jesse Ramien has been ruled out after suffering an ankle injury against Manly last week, with Siosipa Talakai promoted from the bench to start at center. Oregon Kaufusi, who returns after being rested from the Manly game, is starting in place of prop Tom Royce. Prop Tom Hazelton has overcome a minor knee issue and will join the interchange. Royce Hunt is also on the bench.